Taurus men are known for their appreciation of beauty and sensuality. They are drawn to people who exude a sense of refinement, elegance, and naturalness. Here are 7 specific physical traits that Taurus men tend to find attractive. Let's begin. Number 1. Good confidence. If you want to attract a Taurus man, it's important that you first be real, strong, and confident in who you are, as well as have a serene manner. It's important to be who you are, and honesty is always the best policy with a Taurus man. If he's not interested, he's not interested. But confidence, serenity, and honesty will make you more desirable in his eyes. Number 2. Visual beauty. It's said that beauty is in the eye of the beholder, and a Taurus man is attracted to someone who radiates subtle classic beauty. You don't need to be glamorous or show a lot of skin. He's more attracted to someone who exudes elegance. So, bring out your classy conservative side, then add a little whimsy. The key is to make an impact without being excessive. Number 3. Cool and calmness. When someone pleasures his senses, a Taurus man takes notice, but it's not quite that simple to win his heart. His greatest need in life is stability and serenity, and he doesn't deal well with anything that's overly dramatic. She'll need to be wise with and know how to manage their money. This means somebody who wants to attract a Taurus man will also have to impress him with their cool, calm, controlled, serene, and practical way of life. Number 4. Good listener. Taurus men are good listeners, and they appreciate it when their partners take the time to listen to them. Make sure you are really listening to him when he is talking to you, and that you are not just waiting for your turn to speak. Number 5. Uncomplicated and simplicity. Again, sometimes the occasion calls for a glamorous outfit. Taurus likes to get dressed up sometimes, and he won't say no to seeing you dressed to the nines. In your day-to-day life, though, you don't need to constantly dress your best to impress him. He likes it when women can just be themselves around him. He enjoys date nights where he and his partner stay and just watch movies in their pajamas. He is all about having nice things in life, but he doesn't want to feel like he constantly has to be providing for his partner to gain their love. Number 6. Luxurious touch. These guys like physical contact, so don't be afraid to touch them. A Taurus man likes you to gently put their hand on his arm, touch his cheek, or put your hand in his. He enjoys you softly touching his leg and leaning toward him when sitting next to him. He won't even mind if you take the lead and kiss him at the end of your first date. Number 7. Sweet fragrance. Perhaps beyond looks, how someone smells will determine if a Taurus man is attracted to them. Taurus men are into fragrance and are sensuous, so when somebody smells good, it gives him romantic feelings. They love rolling hills, quiet countrysides, and romance. When someone wears a romantic floral and earthy scent, he's likely to find them irresistible. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy the content, then please share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow our Facebook page. Thank you for being a part of our community.